we are going to taste Casillero. And let me see it try again. Casillero?
Let's have a look. I'll be on here. Casillero del Diablo. Casillero.
That's just what I was going to say. If only I could.
Casillero del Diablo. Oh, there we go.
So yeah, so you can see the bottle springing up between us here.
There you go.
There you go. That's it. That's what we're going to taste.
See, if anybody wants to tell us how we pronounce this, I'd be very grateful.
Very grateful. It is from Chile, and it is a Sauvignon Blanc.
It is.
Now, Sauvignon Blanc isn't one of your favourite wines.
Depending where it comes from, but I've said many times, it can give me heartburn with the acidity in there.
So, presumably you like French and New Zealand?
Yeah. I also like a lot of the Chileans. I like the Chileans. So it's the New Zealand ones that are the ones that are a bit harsh.
Because they're the ones that got very acid.
Yeah, the Chilean ones tend to be a little bit softer, so yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, this one's Chilean, so let's hope this one
Yes,
your approval.
yes, I'm thinking it should be okay. So let's give it a go, John.
Excellent, let's give it a go. So, colour-wise, it's very pale, isn't it? Not that that's a bad thing whatsoever.
No, it isn't a bad thing.
It's very translucent and, yeah.
Yeah, I can see it is very pale.
Yeah, it's
Nothing wrong with that, though?
No.
Nice, fresh, it looks good.
It's only 12.5%. Is Sauvignon Blanc normally a bit stronger than that? Or is that in the ballpark?
In general, wines are becoming stronger and stronger. You see them nowadays. That's actually quite unusual to get 12.5 is quite low in alcohol. They're all powering up. Like back in the day, if you were getting 13.5, 14.5, even so much as 15, you were thinking, "Oh, that's a big wine." But now they're regularly 14 to 15%. But yeah, so 12.5 is quite light. But
now this is $7.50.
Okay.
So when we're judging it, we'll judge it against that price peg.
We will definitely. Nice. Let's have a go on the old nose.
Okay. What is that? I shouldn't be smelling this, but I'm getting country road. What's it like forest trail? Trail.
A forest trail. Oh, no, okay.
Trail, like a path, not wooden, but with all the sort of vegetation on the ground and the trees around you, giving that sort of like slightly dirty but natural.
John, your descriptions are fabulous. I'm going to have to use one of these.
I can almost hear the birds singing.
That's an amazing description. I've never heard of wine being described like that before, but I love it. I just got peaches. It's true, is it? Oh, I don't know.
Well, maybe peaches with a little bit of dirt on them.
No, okay, I'll go with that. But there's nothing much. I'm finding nothing much else in there.
No.
But I tell you what, it's not. Coming back, it's not very Sauvignon-y. With Sauvignon, you know what to expect. I've always said it smells very green.
Yeah.
Fresh cut grass, and
quite often it can give your nose an enema, can't it?
Yeah, it can almost hurt. Yeah. And I say people smell like cat weed. That's got nothing in it. Okay, so let's have a go on the old palate.
Okay.
That's.
Ooh.
I know what you mean, John. That is your eyes are watering.
And that's not because it's acidic or anything. It's because I just actually don't like it, and I think that's very unfair because I'm sure there'll be people that will love it. It'll just hit the button for them. But for me, it's just I don't know.
There's nothing. It's absolutely nothing. It's All right. No, I described that first of all as flabby. There's no. I mean, this is a million. That doesn't taste to me like a Sauvignon, and especially a Chilean Sauvignon, which I love, or I really like. There's no acidity in there, but that's because it's very flabby. There's nothing else to it either. There's no real flavour to it. It's very watery. It's very thin. There's no length to it. as soon as something hits, it disappears, and that what does hit is not pleasant.
But apart from that, it's fine.
I'm sorry, that was quite scathing, wasn't it? Again, very horses for courses and all that, and very subjective. But that for me is my opinion, a poor Sauvignon.
It is. It's almost like a Sauvignon that's been watered down.
Yeah, that's what it has that wateriness there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's nothing there.
Yeah.
Nothing to back it up. I personally can't. Like I say, some people might like this. If how to get even as an introduction to wine. If people didn't like wine, I wouldn't.
No, I wouldn't.
No. Because if you give that to someone saying this is what wines taste like, I'd be like, well, I don't want to drink wine.
No.
That is
Yeah.
So the price there.
Oh, it's $7.50. It's well, I mean, well, it doesn't matter what price it is. Actually, for me, I just want, if it was $2.99, I wouldn't want to drink it.
No.
If someone was offering that, I'd go as far as to say that if someone was offering that at a party, I would take the first glass, but I'd make the glass. If there wasn't an alternative, I'd make the glass last all evening.
Yeah. I'd find, when you see it in the films and the movies where they find the nearest house plant and they pour it in surreptitiously. I think that's what I do with that one. That's definitely not a wine. Definitely not a wine for me.
And nor for me. And again, guys, if you really love it, let us know. Put it in the comments below because we'd really be interested. But just for our palate, it's just not going anywhere. And I'm really struggling now. You know what? I'm thinking about sort of what food to eat, and I'm thinking I just want something really strong tasting, so I can't taste this.
Yeah.
If it was at dinner table, I'd rather have something strong and so like I don't know, a chili con carne or a spaghetti bolli or whatever that's got a really lot of taste and just
anything that's I know. Cheese wise, I'd be doing the cheese an injustice. Matching it with the wine, cause I can't think to myself what would.
Well, just go for something that completely masks it.
Well, yes, a big strong cheddar, something Lincolnshire Porcher, but a good 18-month-old that's really going to finish it off. That's what it needs, I think. It's I can't think of anything that would complement that or which that would complement.
I can't think of a wine in. I think we've got over. I think something like 750 reviews up now, and I can't think of a wine that we've actually thought worse of than this.
So that then naturally goes on to the
scoring.
Scores now. This is going to be pretty brutal.
It is, unfortunately, and no, as I said to the winemakers, it's please don't be offended. It's just our personal taste, and if you like it, please don't be offended. It's just our personal opinion. Do you want me to go first? Or
I'll go first because I'll do the side. Unless you want to. I've never. You can go first if you want, John. You go first.
I've got to work out my fingers now, haven't I?
Right, okay.
So I'm going to go.
Oh.
Got it. Okay.
Right. So there's a few things that are coming in here. Obviously, the price. Poof. No. I say we could pay £2 for that and still not find it attractive. The fact that it's Sauvignon, it doesn't taste anything like a Sauvignon to me. That's going to bring it all the way down. And number three, it's just, in my opinion, I don't find that to be a good wine. So I'm going to be brutal with this, and I'm going to take that down to 45.
Oh, okay. I thought I was being brutal.
Where were you?
53.
Still, that's the good.
It's the lowest score I've ever given.
I think that might be the lowest score I've ever given.
Yeah. I think previously, I don't think you've dropped into the 50s even on a previous.
But that score. Is, and I'm really, but again, as John says, it's horses for courses. It's very subjective. It might be to somebody's taste, but I was particularly disappointed with that one.
Yes, I am looking forward to our next glass of wine. Mm-hmm. Guys, let us know what you think. Really be interested. And so until the next one.
Chin chin.
Let's hope it's better.